We have Christie and Cathy, and Christie will be enlightening us about working at Google. However, she's not a software engineer like one of our previous speakers, but in fact, she focuses on her passion, which is in design. At Google, she works on the design aspect of products and websites and helps with user experience type interfaces. Cathy, on the other hand, attended the Parsons School of Design in New York. Today, she works at Saks Fifth Avenue, which is a very famous fashion store, and she applies her knowledge of design to analyze the market and combines data science techniques for her job.
But what I do is user experience design. Basically, like when you're looking at a screen, or like if you use like things like Facebook or Instagram, like the idea of like to like something is like double tapping. That's like an interaction.
What does being a designer mean to each of you?
Into a store and there are things in that store. People like buyers are the ones who made sure it's there. So this is an example of something you might see online or in a store, right? If you're just shopping for shoes. But what you don't see is everything that happens behind the scenes, which is what buyers do, which is this.
We do work a lot with engineers who do code, and they're the ones that are coding your designs. It's really important to have somewhat of a shared language, or like be able to understand what they're saying.
If you could make any app you want, like what fashion app would you make and what would it be called?
I feel like I want an app that tells me if my shoe is gonna fit or not. Like,
how do you be empathetic, or like, so that's basically most of design is just trying to understand what other people need and like how can you make something for them.